Welcome back to our Storyline Speedhack series. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create a custom menu, allowing for a cleaner and more polished layout. Let's get started. To save time, we've already set up a Storyline module with slides, so we can focus on the key steps. First, we'll disable all built-in player features, including the menu, volume, captions, accessibility controls, and resources. Before disabling the title, be sure to enter your course title first. Even though this feature will be disabled in the player, it will still appear when the learner launches the course. Next, we'll change the player background color to white for a seamless look. We'll then remove all default previous and next buttons from the slides. As you can see, we've added our own custom next and previous buttons for a more cohesive design. Since this is the first slide, a previous button isn't needed here. Let's delete it. Now, let's create our custom menu. We'll start by adding a new layer and designing our menu. We've included a semi-transparent background to subtly darken the main content, since we designed our menu to resemble frosted glass, which is also slightly transparent. We've pre-designed the elements for this tutorial. Feel free to replicate the colors and settings as shown or create your own style. Since our slides are already set up, we can now link the menu buttons to them. To enhance the experience, we've added a fly-in animation for a smoother transition. Now, let's create a button to open the menu. We've used a small chevron on the side, but there are countless ways to trigger the menu. Get creative! To improve user experience, we'll add a trigger that closes the menu when the user clicks outside of it. In our case, adding the trigger to the semi-transparent background would be enough, but if you're not using one, this method will work perfectly. Let's preview our first slide and see how the menu works in action, to make sure we did everything correctly. Now, we'll copy the menu and chevron button to all slides and add the necessary triggers. Important: if your menu links to other layers on the same slide, be sure to disable the Hide Other Slide layers. And that's it! You've successfully created your own custom menu. As a finishing touch, consider adding a fade-in transition between slides for a smoother experience. In our next tutorial, we'll show you how to create a note-taking feature. With a bit of JavaScript, learners will even be able to print or email their notes. Got a tutorial request? Drop a comment below and we'll make it happen. Thanks for watching.